Passover was always very special to me. It was very special because I would walk sometimes 7 miles from my house to my grandmother's house to help her take the Pesach dishes and pots and pans up from the cellar to the kitchen, wash them, put the non-Pesach stuff back down in the cellar. She had a huge crystal chandelier. It was huge, hung from a very high ceiling in her dining room, and it was my job to take that down piece by piece and wash it and then put it back. And so Passover was very special.